Minsan sa buhay, nakakalimutan na natin ang halaga at saya ng Pasko dahil sa dami ng ating tinatrabaho. Kaya ngayong gabi, mula sa maintenance section, hayaan nyo kaming magbigay ng saya at ligaya sa inyong Pasko.
Pasko, magtininig ang Pilipino.
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
She was the girl next door, that's my finest neighbor. Told her if she wants some sugar, baby, don't be a stranger. And she said, when I need something sweet, I'll be coming over to you. That girl was knocking in the middle of the night, wearing nothing but a robe that she took off inside. And she said, boy, I'm getting cold, here's what I need you to do. Baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kaya tuwing Pasko ay dumarating na, ang bawat isa'y para bang namomroblema. Hindi mo alam ang regalong ibibigay, ngayong kahirap na nitong ating buhay. Meron pa kayang caroling at Noche Buena, kung tayo naman ay kapos at wala ng pera? Nakakahiya kung muling pagtaguan mo ang iyong mga inaanak sa